microphone is for her question.
So, actually, may dalawang question. Yung isa statement. Okay, can you rate your performance in SPAM this year?
I'd give myself a 9.5.
Over 10.
Kasi para sa akin, the most impactful in my development, my growth in AMS this year was 2 SPAM projects, namely Rec Week, LTS, and PSMO.
Okay. Actually, na-notice ko din yun, especially dun sa LTS and other things. Pero I noticed that you may have missed some activities, like attendance sa PSMO meetings and yung pag-volunteer sa tie-ups with other orgs. So in line with that, I have 2 questions regarding Platform 2 and Platform 3. Sa Platform 2 mo, anong klaseng projects ang gusto mo? Kasi, as you know, maraming projects ang AMS. And if magtitaken ka pa ng projects, syempre kailangan pinipili mo talaga yun. Anong klaseng projects ang gusto mo? And then yung sa second naman, sa PSM2, given the current situation, kasi medyo ganun na siya. So, anong plan mo? Paano mo aayusin yung internal communication? And ipupush mo pa rin ba yung membership ng AMS sa PSM?
My first point, sa first question mo, my answer to that is, actually hindi ko siya na-mention sa PowerPoint kasi short on time. I plan to revise na konti na proposal project in line with the idea generation ng project sa AMS. So, I plan to release it. Pero yung proposal project na plan ko for next year is hindi ma-implement yung project agad. It is merely to gather a pool of ideas para, kunyari, for next year's, for the future years, Execo members, may pagpipilian sila ng project. Kunyari, may gusto sila i-drop, at least may pool of projects for them to consider. And for your second question, ako nasasayangan talaga ako sa potential ng PSMO since for me, yung PSMO is a very, very big avenue for communication kasi pare-pareho yung visions ng org. So, kailangan talaga siya mabuhay. So, my plan to revive the internal communication is restructuring, palitan niyo consti kasi malabo siya. Yung structure, yung pag 5 constituents per school, medyo malabo rin yun. So, kailangan siya mabuhay. Yun lang.
You